It was
there
insane. So then,
inside?
There has to be.
There has to be.
yeah, it was found after we closed escrow.
Oh.
And the rodents. And, oh, yeah. You know, so the entire inspection, there's dogs barking the whole time. It's chaos. Like, you can't even think
And
straight.
by the way, for anyone who doesn't know, inspections take
3 hours.
or more depending on how big the house is.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're there at least 3 hours.
Yeah. And then I had to do my Avid, like the agent walk through disclosure.
I want to see this Avid.
So do I.
I couldn't even think straight.
Present in living room. I could see you just like losing your shit.
I walked through with my video camera and did my Avid, and I was like, I will put this on paper when I get to the office because
it's too.
I couldn't even write it.